down at that end. Hi, how are you?
Alright, we are currently at the Festival of the Arts. We are going to paint the wall. It is a paint by number. They told me that I need to paint up high and Faith is going to paint
down low.
Down low.
Pretty cool, right?
So how many squares do you get to paint?
5.
5?
They don't have to be together. As long as you paint it.
Alright, that looks good. Oh, you're gonna just spread it out, aren't you?
I'm not a messy person.
No?
No.
He's doing the whole Monorail.
Oops.
What's number 8? What number are you? I'm a 6.
So is this cool? You're being a part of a big wall of paint that all these people are going to be painting?
Hey, Natasha, the women.
Alright, you got one more?
Why can't I just paint my shirt?
You got paint on your shirt?
Oh, I wish I can.
No.
Mom would always say no.
Alright, that's 5 squares.
I don't care if I wash
Alright, so now, why don't you put that over on the thing and you can watch me do it. So put it over there.
Right here in this section.
Faith, come on. Faith. Alright, you're recording me painting.
Okay.
Alright, so I gotta get number 13.
Gotta go high, Daddy.
Gotta go high.
Yeah.
Alright. Press this ball, paint the left one. Let's start again. So I got 13, right?
It
Yeah.
should be.
This brushes in the small one, paints in the large one there. There we go.
Doing great job, Daddy. Got one more after that. Yes, we are.
And that is it for paint day. So we're here at the EPCOT Festival of the Arts.
No, arts.
Arts.
Like it's really blank right now.
Oh, it's really blank? Okay.
Well, it's not really art yet.
But it'll be a monorail when it's done. All right. Catch you later.